If you're experiencing login issues on Claro 2026, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection. Try accessing other websites or applications to confirm that your internet is working properly. Step 2. Verify your credentials. Before starting recovery, use the sr.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Clear browser cache and cookies. If you are using a web browser, clear the cache and cookies. This can resolve issues caused by outdated or corrupted data stored in your browser. Step 4. Update your app or browser. Ensure that you are using the latest version of the Claro app or your web browser. Outdated software can lead to compatibility issues that prevent successful logins. Step 5. Contact customer support. If the issue persists after trying the above steps, reach out to Claro's customer support for assistance. They can provide specific guidance and help resolve any account-related issues. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your login issues on Claro 2026. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek further help from support.